Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can copy Instagram captions and hashtags. So here when I open up my Instagram app, if I hold down the text of the post, you will see that nothing will happen. So this means that you can't copy the text directly from your mobile application. So for that you need to go to your browser. So for example, if I want to copy the text of this post, for that I will click on the three dots on the top and then click on link. This will copy the link. Now you need to go to your browser and then paste that link, and from here you will see the post. And now here when I hold down the text, you will see that it is selecting the text. Now if I want to copy this one, click on copy. Now if I go to my keyboard, you will see that the text has been copied. So this is how you can copy Instagram captions and hashtags. I hope you found this video useful. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching.